So would you wait a length of time before doing your fixings? Do you want your adhesive to be hard before you put your fixings in?
Yes, so there is a drying time. So once you've got your insulation on, it's normally 24 to 48 hours, depending on the time of year.
So obviously, we all know that boards will always go on horizontally. Why is that though?
It gives it that strength. You don't see brickwork going up vertically, do you?
You don't.
No. And why do you think that is?
It's just not going to be structurally strong.
Right, so now you've got that board on, let's just a couple of things. Can you see that edge?
I can, yeah.
Yeah, so there's a danger when you put the next, that's going to squish through, and then what does that cause?
Cold bridge.
Cold bridge. We also want to check that, that this is level, and it's perfect.
Looks good to me.
Yeah, absolutely perfect.
So to clean this back edge with a trowel?
Yes, exactly that, yeah.
So if you have a small gap between the boards, what do you do with that?
Any small gaps, 5 mil and less, you can use expanding foam.
Okay.
Yeah, there's foam in the cans. Anything greater, you need to be cutting back and fitting a slither in to fill that gap.
We've got the 200 mil gap at the end. This is where we put the mineral wool.
That's where we put the mineral wool in.
So Paul, I've just noticed you put a really tight coat on.
Yeah, so because it's very fibrous,
Yeah.
if you didn't smear a coat on, those fibres are sticking out, and when you try and put your adhesive on, it doesn't always stick.
Right, okay.
Yeah, so just by putting a thin coat on like that, just pushes them fibres back in.
Okay, would you do that when you're rendering on top of it as well?
Yes. Where do we start from now?
Well, I would start from this side, so we're staggering it.
That's
and then
it,
you're
yeah.
Staggering your corner, your internal
Yeah,
corner.
exactly. Yeah, well done.
It's an area I imagine a lot of people miss.
Yes, they do, and that's, we end up with straight line joints, and that's a big no-no. It needs to be that stagger, and it's that minimum stagger of 200 mil.
Yep.
Okay.
Perfect.
If that was 200 then, Steve, what's our next for?
400.
400, yeah. So that gives us that 200 mil bond.
Is there anything we need to do with the installation around the window?
Yes, so the important thing to remember is when you're doing around any structural openings, is it needs to be